because I don't want to die. So hi everybody. If you watched the last video on my channel, which if you haven't, do it because I think it's interesting enough. A couple days ago, that over there carbon monoxide alarm went off and I had to have the fire department come. And yeah, it's a little sketch. Yeah, so it's a little scary. I'm now casually just a little bit paranoid, like just a little bit paranoid about it now. And so I went up to Home Depot today and I bought this Kitty, I think it's Kitty, 10-year warranty free sealed battery carbon monoxide alarm. So this is gonna go in my bedroom and be a redundant system, a secondary alarm for carbon monoxide, just in case. This was like $40 or $45, I think. I just got the one that looked the best to me there. I'm no expert in carbon monoxide alarms, but hopefully it will let me know if I'm about to die. Sealed, long life battery, digital readout, 30 to 999 parts per million. Battery powered, and 10-year, yeah. Peak level memory. Test and reset button, of course. The 10-year warranty, okay. And then loud, 85 decibel alarm. That's loud. That's good. Just in case, you know, I need to get roused from my sleep. Again, hopefully this is a thing I hope to never ever need. Ever. I hope that this thing is a complete waste of my money. I hope this never does its job ever. But just in case I need it, I'd rather have that one time it does its job and I hear it than rather than not. So this thing, it looks like I have just a little pull. Oh, okay. Oh. I mean, that's a weird system, but it worked. It's a little jaggy. It's better than having to cut the side though, so I'll give it that. I mean, it's nothing, this isn't gonna be a fancy unboxing, guys. It's just user manual, which I'll probably actually read this because this is important. But yeah, little user manual and warranty information, I'm sure. Installation locations, blah, blah, blah. Things I will read. Things I will read. Silica, I would imagine. Wall mounts. I'm probably not going to actually mount it in the wall. I might just, I don't know, like, because I'm in an apartment, I don't want to put a lot of stuff in the drywall. I might put in just like a couple different double-sided tapes or like command strips on it just to hold it up. I mean, it doesn't weigh anything. Or just leave it like on a table or something. I mean, yeah, it's a detector. Do not paint. Carbon monoxide alarm. Move to fresh air. Alarm. Operate. Fault. That's really hard to read. Holy crap. It says something. I think that says test and peak level. I'm pretty sure that's what those say. Ooh, interesting. It's a little not together there, but this looks like it's a one of those kind of silky tapes. Keeping this back on here. Interesting. Interesting. Well, ooh, okay. So that would go there, and then sure you have to like pop that in or something. Interesting. It's probably so you can more easily mount it and then just whomp. But yeah, cool. I will let you guys maybe know about this someday. I don't know. I don't know how I can review this. I don't think it's possible because it's an alarm that will sit there and hopefully never do anything. The only way I could like review it is if, you know, I intentionally put CO against it or something, but that's dumb. So yeah, this is never gonna get a review unless it turns on tonight or something. Yeah, so there you go, guys. CO, detectors, fire detectors, fire extinguishers, insurance, things like that. It's worth it, guys. It's legitimately worth it. Make sure you have those. Be safe out there.